Hello everybody. Today is a glaze day and I'm very excited. So let's start. Yay. My little tiny space. Black clay. And this is like and this is actually handmade. It's not like I didn't do it on the wheel, and I love it. It's kind of yellowish. This looks kind of wood. It's like a dry brown. I like it. I don't know if you can see it here.
I'm trying to see it.
You're trying to see. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm not moving.
Yeah. Okay.
I stopped breathing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, and this is my startup. This I made beads. You see? And I made these two before. It's like a stand for this to make beads. I don't know. I actually thought I painted with something, put glaze on it, but obviously I didn't. I don't know. Things happen. This is something that I made with my daughter.
Very nice.
It's cute, yeah. Next. Oh. That's another one. I don't know why it has like those dots.
Drips.
I don't know. Maybe. But I still like it. I mean, I think there's something special about it. Okay. This is actually nice. This is slip that I put under glaze. I ungob actually. I mixed it with ungob, and when I made the when I made it on the wheel, I put the slip with the ungob mixed, and this is how it turned out. And I like it.
Yeah.
You see the pattern? It's nice. Okay. Okay, now this is very weird. This, I thought it was purple, but maybe I didn't mix the ungob purple, because when I put it on, it was really like dark, and now you can see that it was purple.
Yeah, it's like a clear glaze.
Yeah, I mean, you can see that there's like a difference in the colors, but it looks like very, very light pink. I don't know. Okay. Things happen. Oh, the same thing here. I used the same ungob, and this is what happened. All right. It's a bell. This one is also, it's going to be a bell. 2 bells. I like it.
And how does it ring, this bell?
Oh, I'm going to put like, I'm going to make like a, I have
Inside?
beads. Yeah. That's why I made beads. I made those beads. You see? Then I'm going to hang it. It's going to go. Yeah, very nice. You hear the bell ring. Now next, wait. Okay. Uh-oh, what happened here? Oh, nothing. Good. Almost got a heart attack. Would you look at that?
Nice. Nitai.
Nitai. This is for my favorite boy in the world. I love it. What do you think?
Yeah, very nice.
Beautiful. I think he's gonna like it. Yeah. Okay. This I made for my kids, for their toothbrushes and toothpastes and everything. It's nice.
Beautiful.
Yes, beautiful. Oh, wow. This is also very nice. See, I made a hole.
Yeah.
They better like it, my kids. Oh, this is weird. I actually did it before. I forgot to put clear glaze. I thought it was gonna change the color. It's the same purple. It's not purple.
You're moving it. I can see it.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's not purple. All right. Would you look at that?
He is the king of hearts.
He's the king of hearts, yes. What do you think?
Very nice.
He's cute, huh? All right. Now, another one. He's the king of drops.
Teardrops.
Teardrops. This is engobe, yellow engobe, and then I put clear glaze. I have another gnome. Okay, this is special. I'm going to show you the back first. Because this is engobe, and it's the name of the engobe is the dotted green dots. Green dots, I think. But look at that. He has a hole. I'm going to put like a piercing in his nose. What do you think?
Oh, he has a character.
He has a character, yes. That's good. I like his character. This is for us. This is for the kitchen. For the big utensils. Nice. Look at the inside.
What do you see?
Can you see?
It's deep.
It's
What do you want me to see?
The dots, the black
I
dots. I like it. You can't see it?
Oh, okay.
Can you see it?
No, I can. Yeah.
Well, okay. All right. Now I know what's at the bottom. Very, very simple. Oh. This is a plate that I absolutely adore. What's this? Anyway, it's black clay. And it's dry brown. And when I kind of like dip it, I don't dip it. I take the glaze and I just pour it. This is how it comes out. I like it. It looks like wood. Right?
Why doesn't it have like a glossy effect?
That's what I like about it. That it doesn't have the glossy effect. I mean, I could have used like a clear glaze on top, but I really preferred it that it's matte. I love it.
Yeah.
Now I know what that is. These are my fingerprints. I remember. I thought it was going to go away. But anyway. It's interesting. Yeah, I like it. Another one. Okay, now the last one is going to be the same.
Watch out.
Yes. Fingerprints. This is amazing. But if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't have known, right? So?
Oh, it looks like here. This one.
What about this?
Yeah.
I mean, I can always reburn it, refire it.
With another coat.
Yeah, put another coat, but I like it like that. I don't care. Yeah. So for the next time, I know that it's so like after you dip it, the glaze becomes like it's like dust. So if you touch it, you can see your fingerprints. So now I know that I shouldn't leave any fingerprints. You learn every day, something new you learn. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and you can make comments. Thank you. Bye from Cyprus.